What up? This is Rawhiphopper93, aka Christian, aka Soldat, Dark and Shadow Spectre, Yugioh Duelist. I'm going to be doing a RA Yellow Mega Pack, Legacy of Darkness, Magic Ruler, and Duelist Toolbox Structure Deck. All these are first edition, except for the Magic Ruler. Never opened a Legacy of Darkness pack before, or a Yellow Mega Pack, so thought I would just get them for fun. Structure decks I've already gotten: Saga of the Blue Eyes White Dragon, can't remember the other one. It has like a metal dragon on it, can't remember the name. Yugioh's Reloaded Structure Deck, and I believe there's one more, but I can't think of it. And an ultra rare Ghost Rick Ghoul for my Shadow Spectre and Dark tournament deck. Another Ghost Rick Alucard. I already have a Ghost Rick Alucard Gold from my Shadow Spectre box opening, but I didn't know you can run two, so got another one. And Black Rose Dragon to throw in my side deck also. Just mixing it up. So yeah, these packs for fun. Let's get started. I think I'll start with the RA Yellow Mega Pack. Again, these are all first edition except for the Magic Ruler, I believe. So got an Elemental Hero Stratos, Elemental Hero Mud Ballman, Test Tiger, and a rare Gladiator Beast War Chariot. Just kidding. Nice. And I think that's an ultra rare. Maybe an ultimate because the letters are lighted up too. The 6 Samurai Yaichi. The Samurais are really good, along with the Metal Dragons. The Cyber Dragons, that's what it was. The Cyber Dragon Structure Deck are really good from this deck. Nice. And I think that's a secret rare right there. Crystal Blessing. Has like a Pegasus and a Tiger. And an ultra rare Hero Blast. Another Grandmaster of the 6 Samurai. The Flute of Summoning Karibo. Rise of the Snake Deity. Grand Convergence. And that's it from the RA Yellow Mega Pack. I think I'll open the Magic Ruler. One of my favorite old schools with the Pegasus structure deck and all that. Relinquish all day. So yeah, these are unlimited. Dark Witch. Crab Turtle, one of my old school favorites. Didn't really run it, but funny looking card. Snake Fang. Peacock. Cyber Jar. I don't know if this card got banned yet, but I know a lot of people still run it. I don't. Pretty cool looking guy. Minar. Pretty badass looking dude. Nice. Old school right here. Jigen Bakudan. Becomes a bomb. Pretty good old school pyro. Fire. Flash Assailant. Nice. And Turtle Oath in the same pack for Crab Turtle. That's pretty cool. And back to Dark Witch. So no rares out of there, but pulled a Crab Turtle and a Turtle Oath. So that's pretty cool. in my opinion. Now, to start on all the Legacy of Darkness. All first edition. Cave Dragon. Skull Knight number 2. Dragon's Rage. Nice. I like the dark and evil clown cards that Yu-Gi-Oh made. A rare Fatal Abacus. I don't know how you say that. Dragon's Gunfire. Seems like a big old ball of fire. A Wing Beat of Giant Dragon. Dragon Manipulator. Life Absorbing Machine. So I'll start on the next Legacy of Darkness pack here. Got all these packs for a good price of $3 each. And this pack just does not want to open. Alright, there we go. Had to use my teeth on that one. So got a Heart of Clear Water. Amenius, Fortune Telling. Pretty badass. There's like a skull in the bubble. Mysterious Guard. Stamping Destruction. A rare Sousa Soldier. That is a badass looking card. The Illusion of Gentleman. Gotta say, Legacy of Darkness has a lot of cool dark cards. Guess why they call it Legacy of Darkness. Legendary Ocean. Robo-Yaru. I don't know how you say that. Pretty cool. Fiend Comedian. Heart of Clear Water. Has like a face and a giant drop. And that's it for that pack. Start on the next Legacy of Darkness. Having trouble with these packs here. Having to use my teeth. Another Rawhiphopper93 Clown. Heart of Clear Water. Amenius Fortune Telling. Mysterious Guard. Nice. And I don't know if that's a secret or an ultra. Reinforcement of the Army. Pretty cool. Woodland Sprite. Could go for some Sprite right now. Dragon's Gunfire. A Wing Beat of Giant Dragon. Dragon Manipulator, and back to the Clown. So some repeats in that one. Like the plant cards and the fiends so far. Start on the next pack. That one kind of opened up a little bit easier. Dragon's Rage. Another Rawhiphopper Clown. Heart of Clear Water. Another Amenius Fortune Telling. Nice. And I think that's an ultra rare. Dark Balter the Terrible. Fiend Fusion. So, it's pretty nice. Gray Wing. Ready for intercepting, like hiding behind all their shields. Nutrient Z. Looks like an energy drink with a bat. Warrior de Greffer. So that does it for that pack. Nice, pack actually opened up. Didn't mean to tear the whole thing though. A Partition of Darkness. A Faint Plan, I remember this card from the old school days. Skull Knight #2. Another Dragon's Rage. Nice. And don't know if that's secret or ultimate. Dark Ruler Hades. A lot of cool fiends in this pack. Robotic Knight. Double Snare. Soul Demolition. Convulsion of Nature. It's like all the nature types right there. And that does it for that pack. So on to the last pack. Heart of the Cards. Legacy of Darkness. For US and Canada. So Spirit Ryu. Spiritual Energy Settle Machine. A Super Robo Lady. Troop Dragon. Nice. And I think that's an ultra rare. Fiend Skull Dragon. Pretty sweet. Another Robo Ryu. Fiend Comedian. Wolf Axe Wielder. The Secret of the Bandit. And that does it for all the Legacy of Darknesses. So from the Legacy of Darkness and the 1 RA Yellow Mega Pack, these are all the rares, ultra rares, and whatevers. The Fiend Skull Dragon, Dark Ruler Hades, Dark Balter the Terrible, Reinforcement of the Army, Susa Soldier, trying to get the light reflecting off it, Fatal Abicus, Turtle Oath. These weren't the rares, our first edition, but they're from the Magic Ruler. Surprised I got both in one pack. Crab Turtle and Turtle Oath. Gladiator Beast War Chariot. The 6 Samurai Yaichi. Crystal Blessing. Hero Blast. And Fiend Skull Dragon. So up for next would be the Yu-Gi-Oh! First Edition Duelist Toolbox Structure Deck. Alright, so here we go. Get this baby open. Whoops. There went the deck. So, you got your deck holder box. 2 free cards, special offer. Got the Yu-Gi-Oh! Beginner's Guide. Got Yusei on there, big old robot. And of course, all structured decks come with a dual mat. So pretty basic dual mat. Let's get started. So here we go. Got your Junk Destroyer. You got your Rapid Warrior, another rare, Ultra. Synchron Explorer, another Ultra, I believe. X-Saber Wayne. My name is Bane, and you've fallen this time, Mr. Wayne. Just kidding, from Batman. Alright, so that does it for those rares. Battle Footballer, Blazing Apache, Toon Warrior, Man-Eater Bug for the old school win, Hayabusa Knight, Chainsaw Insect, Worm Apocalypse, looks funny, Junk Synchron. If you've seen Yu-Gi-Oh! 5Ds, the anime, you would remember these. 2 Junk Synchrons, Speed Warrior from the anime, Quillbolt Hedgehog. Oh, these are novish. Got 2 of them. X-Saber Galahad, Fortress Warrior, Turret Warrior, Twin Sword Marauder, Dark Tinker, Quick Draw Synchron, Half Shut, Giant Trunade, Card Destruction, Reinforcement of the Army, the Warrior Returning Alive, Banner of Courage, Enemy Controller, got a couple of those from the other structure decks, or from the Blue Eye Saga, Hammer Shot, Monster Reincarnation, I ran a couple of these in my tournament deck, Synchro Boost, Wild Tornado, Trap Hole, Dust Tornado, Rajiki Break, Rope of Life, Secret Barrel, Sekirotsu Armor, I think that's how you say it, Threatening Roar, Rising Energy, Defense Draw, some more XYZs and Synchros, or Synchros, excuse me, X-Saber Urbellum, and Gaia Knight, the Force of Earth. I almost thought it was Gaia the Fierce Knight, like the old one. So that does it for the structure deck. So from that, these are the Synchros and the Ultras from that. You got your Junk Destroyer, Rapid Warrior, Synchron Explorer, X-Saber Wayne. Just kidding. X-Saber Rebellum, and Gaia Knight, the Force of Earth, not Gaia the Fierce Knight. So I hope you enjoyed it. Have a nice day.